We back again. You ready? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, we got an unboxing video for you guys. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max Gold Edition, 256 gigs. Unboxing video coming up for you guys. So if you like this video up, subscribe if you're new. More bangers is coming. Also this Friday coming up, I have the Midnight Green coming, and an unboxing video of that one will be coming. But let's get into this unboxing.
Since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the pain.
So here we go. iPhone 11 Pro Max Gold Edition, 256 gigs. Got that nice Gold Edition phone. Wow, the back feels amazing. Trying to get it off the light, but the back does feel amazing. Here's the front. Set that off to the side. What you get in the box? Signed by Apple in California. Hello. Kind of stickers they give us. Still the white stickers. Oh, what? They put this in the box? Oh, I didn't know that. That's the first time I ever had one of those. Like I did say earlier, I do have a Midnight Green coming. You get that 18-watt fast wireless charging. First time, you know, Apple earbuds, you know, what we always get. Need to put some AirPods in here. Then you got that USB-C to lightning cable. And that's pretty much what you get into the box. But if you did enjoy this video, that was the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here's the phone. Check out the side. Nice. It's nice. The back feels really good. The camera quality, as you can see, feels real good in hands. Doesn't feel as slippery as people are saying, but I like it. But if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more unboxings, like this video up, subscribe if you're new. iPhone 11 Pro Max, there you go. 256 gigs. Stay tuned for more iPhone videos when I do camera work and test out the new Filmic Pro, when I get the Midnight Green when I do the front version recording and everything else. Go check out my other unboxings. I'll leave a card link and the end of the link at this video. Go check out my iPad unboxing video. Links in the description. Follow me on all my social media. I did a MacBook Pro unboxing. It's your boy Brandon from Crayton TV. I'm signing out here. God bless everybody. Not rose gold, but gold iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. Midnight Green's coming up. Stay tuned for that. And more videos with iPhone. Peace, everybody.